we got two cars here. I'm not touching this one, but I'm finally back from the Camaro Fest on this car. And this video is to share with you guys how important getting your car PPF. So if you guys don't know, if you guys just subscribe to the channel, I just came back from Camaro Fest. That's an 8-hour drive, 16 hours total, going and coming back. And yeah, I just want to show you guys how important it is to get your car PPF. And we're going to check out the front of mine right now. So look, we a quarter away, done with one corner of the car, and look at it. Compared to that side, with water, light water on it, but still not even touched yet. But look how the PPF just helping out getting these bug splatters off and everything. Like, that's just really crazy, man. How that's just one of the benefits right there of it. I'm doing an extra step here where I sprayed on some bug remover, not needed, but I'm making sure it gets everything off and everything looking pristine as new, because you see I got stuff that's up in there I need to get, so I'm spraying some up in there so it can agitate it, so the spots I can't get, it will come off with that bug remover. And if you guys want to know, like, you probably hear like a polisher in the background. That's my boy Morales back there. He do detail work. So shout out to him for letting me use some of his products while I'm getting it done. And if you guys interested, hit him up, man. That Morales, the detailer, on Instagram. I'll pop his thing up on the screen. And check out his website too. So if you're interested for any questions, just reach out to him, man. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're getting all this off, man. So I just want to show you guys, like right here, I'm using tar remover. It don't have that many chemicals in it, but it's something to, you know, something to consider if your car is this messed up. And if you don't have PPF, this is one thing that you can use here. So the only thing is you gotta just keep your car wet, and you can see it's like a kind of like thick, kind of creamy like type of I would say like a solution. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole car. Then after that, we about to get to foaming it. So this video, I'm gonna keep it all 100 with you guys. This video wasn't supposed to go as expected like this in detail, but now my boy got me doing a full detail on the whole car. He said, you just came back from a track event and you're gonna half-ass wash your car? He's like, no, even though you PP'd up, but you still gotta do a full detail. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to fully detail this car. He got me using all of his stuff, man, to clean the whole car, man. But it's gonna be good afterwards, so I can't complain. It's gonna look just how it was when it rolled off the lot. Okay, so now I'm just doing the last step of just wiping the wheels. I already just dried it off, and it was getting hot, so I'm working against the sun, so I'm just not showing you guys every step of what I'm doing here, but I'm gonna just wipe it down because it's already clean. It's just I'm trying to fight the sun here, and I'm gonna show you guys the finishing Results, how it's looking. Like that, man, that's gonna wrap this video up, man, because look how the car's looking now. Y'all seen it before. We walked through the whole process of me cleaning the car. Well, some of the process, not every entire thing, but you guys see how effective PPF is. You guys see the method of washing the car, man, and it's glossy. Like, it's looking like glass right now, man, and I'm happy with it. And it did a good job. Imagine if you didn't have PPF on there, or you just let it sit for a long time. Man, it would have been brutal to clean. But yeah, look at it. It got a deep gloss and a deep clean to it. And the crazy part about it, looking at it, like, I never paid attention to it before, but I can see like the orange peel in GM's car, or GM's paint color now. So it's kind of crazy that I notice it now. Before I didn't, but now I do. But like that, man, that's gonna wrap this video up. If you do, be sure to hit that like button.